We now invite uh, who is coming? Dr. Jasmine will be joining. Fantastic. So Dr. Jasmine from Suzlon would be making this presentation. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So I'm Dr. Jasmine Gogia, and along with Sanjay Shivdas, my colleague, we represent Suzlon Foundation, and which leads CSR for the Suzlon Group. To know better about the simple innovation which is called SuzHook, I request the video to be played, please.
Can you play the video, please? Someone.
Yes, so we are doing it.
Thank you.
मलेरिया बकरी असतात ते गाईच्या मोठा ते तिथं मरून जातात म्हणजे
Shruti, the video is not very clear. Maybe we can just stop it and move with the presentation.
Sure, I'll continue with the presentation. Next slide, please. So as everybody is aware of that the plastic waste is a menace and a nuisance. But for the rural communities, it's much more than that. It actually destroys their livelihoods by killing animals, contaminating land and water, clogging drains, and that leads to death, disease, and it also contaminates their land and therefore the livelihood. Next slide, please. While we were tackling with this issue in the rural households, we did not have the resources to give each household a separate dustbin, one for the wet waste and one for the dry waste. And therefore, Sanjay Shivdas, my team member, came up with this idea, which is based on the old idea of filing away paper bills on a metal hook. This costs less than 1 rupee, but provides endless solutions. This hook can be locally prepared by just twisting a metal piece and tying a string at its end and stacking the plastic to it by just piercing the plastic on the metal hook. Thus, this plastic is attacked before it leaves the house and before it becomes mixed up with other plastic. It can be modified. In fact, in the villages where we have worked, even the villagers have innovated and improvised on this particular SuzHook by making it in all shapes and sizes. At the household level, you can use a smaller hook. At the shop level, a bigger and wider, stronger hook. The longer the string, the more storage of plastic is possible. It can easily be hung on the rack or on a hook so that it's easy to store. This can be used in the rural area as well as in the urban area. The ready-made plastic, stringed plastic, is available for a waste collector who does not have to go foraging for waste in a hazardous dustbin or walking long miles. The recycled product or some money is given as a token of appreciation from the recycler to the village, and the village is able to make use of that. In the particular video, actually, there was an attempt to show the pipe which is made from recycled plastic, which the villagers had collected using the hook, was given back to the village by the recycler as a token of appreciation. And that provided an incentive for the villagers to go on. The wet waste segregation and management can be piggybacked along with this waste management system of plastic. Of course, one needs to remember that it is a package. The hook by itself is not going to get rid of plastic waste. It's the behavior change communication that has to go along with it in all these households. Along with that, a cloth bag is provided to the villagers so that everyone understands that even though you're happy collecting a lot of plastic, the main aim is to reduce the use of plastic at home and how you can replace it by ensuring that you use less and less of plastic and use a cloth bag. In addition to that, a appreciation band, which is made from recycled material, can be also provided, and a tie-up with a recycler so that the collected plastic is successfully managed. Next, please. So the SUZHOOK impact has been in 297 villages in a phased manner in 8 states of India. Around 2 kgs of plastic waste per household can be collected monthly. And we have reached around 27,000 households at this point, saving many animals, preserving water bodies, and protecting the rag pickers. Next, please. There is potential for replication of the SUZHOOK in Suzlon areas where we are working for rural development in over 800 villages across 9 states, and of course beyond, in collaboration with other organizations who are like-minded and interested. Next, please. So the SUZHOOK, a very simple item that can easily help to get rid of plastic, to segregate plastic at source. So we can become a plastic pirate and collect our prey. I'll just leave you with this thought. जो प्रकृति से सच में करे प्यार, वो SUZHOOK से कैसे करे इनकार. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jasmine. A brilliant idea. It's a very common sense. People, there's a question, very interesting question. Why should we have a SUZHOOK? Why can't we store all these plastics that we have, aggregate every day in a plastic bag itself? But as Dr. Jasmine said, this is not just about a segregation mechanism. It is also about a behavior change communication mechanism. So would you like to respond to this, ma'am? This is an interesting question. What is so novel about SUZHOOK from your experience of working with 25,000 households?
So the main thing that prompted us to go in for this was the lack of resources. Because you can also provide big dustbins to collect the plastic waste. You can also, we had tried in the past with some plastic bags which were provided by one of the collaborators, but none of that was sustainable because we had to look towards them for those bags and the collection back, etc. Also, this is very manageable. The volume of plastic waste, as we all know, is big, and therefore also we need to remember that we are talking about houses where there is no storage place, and this hook can be easily hung anywhere, even outside the window grill. And there are so many innovations that we have documented that even we did not expect from rural folks. And I think that it's an evolving innovation. And I think the owners of this is the communities themselves. And that's the beauty of it.
Thank you very much. I really love this idea. You are incentivized, rewarding them with a band, and also you are giving them a cloth bag. So there is a very strong behavior change, communication, and incentivization built in this. I think most of the participating cities should look at the way small ideas can transform the behaviors of societies, and this is one good example. Thank you very much again, ma'am, for your time. Are there any questions, Dr. Malini, in the chat box? Otherwise, we are running behind schedule. Over to you.
No, we don't have any questions in the chat box.